Before we begin, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more real aviation stories from the ramp. I've spent years working around aircraft on the tarmac, and most passengers never see what really happens down here. The ramp is one of the most dangerous workplaces in aviation, and many of the risks come from simple mistakes. One of the biggest mistakes I see is people walking too close to aircraft engines. Even at idle, jet engines can pull and loose clothing, equipment, or debris in seconds. Another dangerous issue is ignoring safety zones. Painted lines and cones aren't suggestions. They exist to keep people clear of moving aircraft, vehicles, and propellers. Equipment placement is another major problem. A bag cart or belt loader left just a few feet out of position can cause serious damage to an aircraft, or worse, injure someone. Weather makes everything more dangerous. Rain, heat, darkness, and jet noise reduce visibility and reaction time. One missed signal can change everything. I also see rushed operations. Speed is never more important than safety. On the ramp, shortcuts lead to injuries, damaged aircraft, and shutdowns. The safest ramp operations are quiet, controlled, and methodical. Every move has a purpose, and everyone watches out for each other. Passengers rarely realize how much coordination happens beneath the wing to get them safely in the air. So the next time you board a flight, remember, safety doesn't start in the cockpit. It starts on the ground. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more real ramp life aviation stories.